Let's talk about the recently launched TECNO smartphone Spark 30. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, approximately 85% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 800 nits peak brightness, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor main camera, along with auxiliary lens and quad LED flash. For selfies it has 13 megapixel centered punch hole front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 2K at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G91, 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168 by 76.4 by 7.7 mm, and the color options: Bumblebee Edition, Astral Ice, Stellar Shadow colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP64 dust and water resistant support, infrared remote control support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO Spark 30 has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 39,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 2,695 Ghanaian cedi. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Spark 30 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.